Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I'm here with my new video, and in this video we'll see some mixed type of heel. From mixed type I mean some high pencil heel, some platform heel, and some block heel in a really beautiful design and different color combinations that look really nice and look really amazing. And as you see, this is a black color. It's really beautiful type of design, block heel, and that look really pretty. And this is a platform heel. It's a really nice type of combination that look really pretty and look really nice. And as you see, this is also a pink and white combination, heart design, and look really amazing. And as you see, this is also a really beautiful color and that looks really nice. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that goes with your every kind of outfit, like it's western or it's traditional. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty, and make you more beautiful. And as you see, this is also a really light color and it's a little bit peach shade, but it looks really nice. And as you see, this is in tiger print and it looks really beautiful. This is also the same but in platform heel, and the previous one look more beautiful. And as you see, this is a really cute color, and this is also a platform heel. It's a really beautiful type of zigzag combo that look really nice. And as you see, this is in a purple color. It looks really nice. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so watch this video till end. And if you want to add some heels in your collection to make your collection more interesting and make it more beautiful, so you can get ideas for that to change your collection. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so in this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. Do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. And if you add some new ideas, so comment that below if you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you press bell icon whenever I post a new video, you will get the notification. So like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next YouTube video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video.